Hey everyone, it's Don. I'm so excited to finally reveal to you our latest client project, this 1999 Defender 110, before it gets shipped to our client in Eastern Canada. Starting from the inside out is this gorgeous interior and half leather seats with matching cubby and seating for 9, so the kids and all their friends can enjoy the adventure. Moving to the driver's seat is our full wood steering wheel, accented with the Rovalution R laser cut into the center. And you can't forget about the audio system in this truck. With a bespoke audio package, professionally tuned to perfection, it sounds amazing no matter what your music tastes. Possibly the most noticeable part of this Defender is the paint job. With extensive bodywork and new doors finished in Land Rover Epsom Green, this Defender has been a star in every one of the shows we've taken it to, and turns heads while driving around town day or night. With a brand new engine and extensive other powertrain work, she drives like new and is a lot of fun to drive. That's just a quick walk around of some of the highlights of this build. For more information, close-up photos, and a detailed write-up, click the link in the description or head to our website at rovalution.ca.